Heraklion is the principal city in Crete and a popular stop for cruise ships. Here we explored the popular sites of the old town area, discovered some of the challenges faced by the local community, as well as taking a walk on the city walls. The first point to note is that the cruise ships berth in the main dock area. Dock safety regulations mean that you have to take a bus directly from the ship to outside of the dock area. This is for passenger safety and is a very short ride. Outside the dock area, you're greeted by sellers of various bus tours. Many of the tours take you directly to the Temple of Knossos, but fearing this would be an extremely busy place full of queues, we opted to explore the city on foot instead. Signage said follow the yellow line into the city centre, so we did just that. It's a flat 15-minute walk to the harbour area with its impressive Venetian fort and other ruins from the city's Venetian period. Then a walk up into the city centre with its great shops, cafes, historic buildings and impressive churches. A focal point in the city is the Morosini fountain, which also originates from the Venetian period. Then there is a lovely old market area with inquisitive and friendly vendors. Then time for some fantastic coffee and cake. Deciding to explore areas away from the main tourist sites, we soon discovered some of the city's problems with high rates of dereliction and vandalism, with rubbish and waste also accumulating on the streets. Even some of the antiquities had been graffitied. It was eye-opening to see firsthand the impacts of the challenges faced by the local population. However, stumbling on a supermarket lifted our spirits and provided an opportunity for some shopping for some local snacks and foods. Then a nearby signboard indicated various walking trails in the city, one of which was to walk the circuit of the Citadel's Venetian walls. Opting for this, we soon found this walking route was poorly signed, with sections of the wall closed to the public also. However, the route that we were able to walk did take us past some pretty gardens with some beautiful flowers and fruit trees. There was also some more aesthetically tasteful graffiti. The walking trail also takes you past and to the tomb of the famous Greek writer Nikos Kazantzakis. This was set in what was once a beautiful ornamental herb garden, but this was also sadly in somewhat a dilapidated state. Following the city walls as much as we could, we eventually arrived back at the shore on the western edge of the city. Then it was a walk along the seafront back into the city tourism area. Arriving back at the harbour area, we took the opportunity to sit at a bar, drink local wine and watch the world go by. This was a really nice moment. After this, it was a walk back to the port and then back on the shuttle bus so that we could board the ship. Heraklion has a huge historical importance in the Mediterranean. However, we left feeling a little sad that this once magnificent citadel has been allowed to deteriorate so much. Thank you Heraklion for an interesting and thought-provoking visit.